Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you for our last round of 10 frame flash this week. All right, so let's get started. All right, one thing I want to point out, okay, is this. This is a 10 frame, okay? If it were empty, it would look like this. Magic. All right, so it's empty. There's 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you fill it up with dots, there are going to be always 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if I turn it this way and put it over here, there's still 10. Look, count them. 1, 2. Sorry, let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, or if I put it over here, there's still 10. Even if I count differently, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so no matter which way, even if I angle it like this, if you fill up a 10 frame, there's always 10. That's important to know when we do our game, because when you have one that looks like this, you can look at this and say, I know that's 10. And then what comes after 10? 11. So that way, instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you just go, oh, 10, 11. Okay? All right, here we go. So, these are all the cards that are between 11 and 19. So I'm going to shuffle them up, and I'm just going to turn some over. Okay, ready? All right. You're only going to get a couple seconds, remember? Okay, your mark, get set, go. All right, what do you think? What do you think? Raise your hand if you think it's 15 dots. How about 16? How about 17? 18? All right, let's take a look. All right, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 dots, okay? So again, you could have seen 10, and then 5 more, makes 15, and then 1 more makes 16. So the fastest way to do it would be 10, 15, 16. Okay? Or you could have like a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Either way, you get 10 and 6 more make 16. Okay? All right. Here we go. Here we go. What's the next one? Oh, here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. How many dots? All right, I gave you an extra second there. That was a big one. Okay. So, how many more dots than 10 did you see? Let's take a look. I see 10 here, and then I saw 8 more. I know this is 8 because I've got 5, and then 3 more. 6, 7, 8. So 10 and 8 makes 18. Right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So if you were thinking 18, great job. If you did not get 18, but you were thinking about it and you were trying and you were doing your best and paying attention, then your brain is still growing. So good for you. All right, let's do a few more. Here, I'll mix them up again. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. All right, here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go. All right, what do you think? Show me fingers. Let's do fingers, all right? 10 and how many more? 10 and how many more? Show me. How many more? All right, let's see. I've got 4 more. So 10 and 4 more should give me 14. Let's take a look. So here's 10 right here, 10. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So that's 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is 14 dots. Okay, how you guys doing with this? You getting better at it? Okay, let's do 2 more. All right. On your mark. Get set. Go. What do you think? What do you think? Show me fingers. 10 and how many more? And how many more? Let's take a look. 10 and I see a row of 5 more. So 10 and 5 more gives me 10. 10 and 5 more gives me 15. Let's check. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so yes, 10 plus 5 more gives me 15. Let's go back to the dots. Here we are. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, last one for today. Are you ready? This is the most challenging one so far. You can do it. Here we go. Mark it, set, go. How many dots do you see? Oh, I took it away real quick. Actually, I gave you some time. That was fair. All right, so who says there were, raise your hand for 15 dots. Okay, 16. Okay, 17. Okay, 18. Okay, 19. Okay, 20. Well, there's not more than 20, so let's stop there. Let's take a look. We have our 10 dots right here in our 10 frame. Plus, we have all of these. We know this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 10, let me make myself bigger here. Oh, yeah, here we go. 10 plus 9 more. So let's do it again. 10 plus 9 more gives me 19. Let's check. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, so there's 9 more. That's 19. Okay, anybody get 19? Good for you. Okay, good for you. If you're still struggling with this, but you are paying attention and you're listening and learning, your brain's growing, so that's great. Also, another way to think about this, watch this. If there was a dot right there, that means it would be all filled up. That would be 20. But if you take away 1 from 20, you end up with 19. Haha. Because 20 take away 1 is 19. So if I count backwards from 20, I get 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It's good to be able to count forwards and backwards when you're doing math. So that's something else you can practice. All right, boys and girls. Remember, you can always play 10 frame flash with yourself. Like you've got these cards, right? You could flash it and see how you do. You could play with somebody in your house, or they could also like show it to you. All right, make it a fun game that you do. Either way, great to see you. Be good, be kind, be safe, do your best, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.